Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't been already subscribed, you know I have uploaded videos before, but I deleted all of them and we're starting over. And it's not start over, but catching up on where we left. So thank you all for following. If you're just new to the channel, please follow, subscribe, go check me out on Instagram at Vegan Fit Latina. Let's be friends. There's a lot of things that I want to be doing here, but this is just me showing my face and starting, because sometimes we take so long into putting the things that we say for ourselves. But I was just watching, like literally just now, a video where it was saying like how when your supervisor tells you to do something, you go ahead and do it. Somebody else tells you to do something, you go ahead and do it. But then when you tell yourself, oh, you're gonna start this, you're gonna start that, you're gonna do this and that, you don't do it. So no more on that. Let's just upload a video. And thank you everyone that has been following me and that has still been subscribed. I truly appreciate your subscribe. And I don't know where this journey is gonna take me, but I'm very much excited. Let me introduce you also to my cat, because he's gonna be in some of my videos. His name is Calixto. We're here in Connecticut, Hartford, Connecticut. So I'm from Puerto Rico. I moved here like 5 to 6 years ago. I like it. I found him in the stairs and where I live maybe like a year ago. He's my new bestie. And yeah, I'm so excited to see what's up with the YouTube. I am vegan. I am a health and wellness coach. I teach Spanish. I am into a fitness journey. I used to weigh 276 pounds. I'm currently into 20 something, and I'm on continuous in that journey. Outside of that, I love so much fun. I love to do things in the outdoors. I love to do hikes. I love painting. I'm an artist. I do art, abstract art, because I don't know how to draw. But yeah, that's a little bit about myself. My favorite color is orange. And yeah, I am an only child. I have brothers and sisters in my dad's side, but not in my mom's side. And then yeah, I guess that's a little bit of me, and I would love to know a little bit from you, where you're from, where you are located. And thank you again for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. There's a lot of cool things coming up, and here an accountability partner, a friend, and your new favorite YouTube people. Goodbye, y'all.